Granting execute and select authorizations to underscore SYS underscore repo user on default SAP system schema in SAP HANA Studio. Log on to the SAP HANA database of your system within SAP HANA Studio. In the security folder, user node, open underscore SYS underscore repo. Go to the Object Privileges tab, choose Add, enter the default SAP system schema. But since the source system schema is added in the Object Privileges already, it will not be shown on the selection. Upon adding the source system schema, the Privileges section is not grayed out and would be able to select at least the execute and select checkboxes in the Privileges box. Deploy. Now, the execute and select authorizations have been granted to underscore SYS underscore repo user.